Hello, and welcome to Clarity 16.2.2 Feature Supportability Training. I am Vib Mehrotra, and as part of this section, we will be talking about the collaborative work management enhancements that's coming as part of Clarity 16.2.2. As part of this release, we are now introducing an out-of-the-box attachment field within the to-dos. This will allow the users the ability to attach supported files to to-dos and be able to see them in multiple places within Clarity. This enhancement has been done based on customer requests that wanted an out-of-the-box ability to attach documents to their to-dos. With that, let's see the product in action. So I'm going to first start off with the administrative piece where I am in Clarity 16.2.2 under the administration, and I'm looking at the objects that are defined in Clarity. I'm going to go into the to-do object, and in there I can now see the out-of-the-box new attachment attribute that is available within the to-do object. Looking at that inside, I can see the definition of that object, that attribute within that object itself. If I now go into the modern UX, that's where I can use that functionality, and I'm going to begin with the project itself. So I am in modern UX. I'm inside a project called Able Payment Module, and I'm inside the to-do module inside of that project. In here you can see that there is a new column that I've already included in my to-do grid, and that new column is called attachment. Using that attribute, it's similar to the attachment attributes available in the other parts of the Clarity application. As I'm hovering over it, you can see that there is the pencil icon that allows me to see or attach documents to my to-dos. Uploading the file is just as simple as clicking on the upload file button, and that will bring up the browser that will show me all the files that are available. I can select the file and I can upload it to my to-do. I can click on the file to view it. So let's look at another one right here. I can click on the pencil icon. I can see that this already has a single file attached to it. Clicking on it will essentially download the file and will make it available for me to view. Okay, next let's go into the, there's the file right there. Next, let's go into the to-do workspace. And within the to-do workspace, I'm just looking at the task module, and there too I can see the same attachment attribute is available. In my case, for this demo, I have already included that attribute in my grid column. For those that don't have it, can just easily go into the columns and you can search for it, and you'll see this attachment attribute that they can include in their grid view. And same thing in here, I can click on the pencil icon and I can click on upload, and I can attach that any of the file that is needed. So let's go ahead and attach the status report, and the file will get uploaded. Same thing, I can click on and it'll then be available. It'll download the file and I can view it. Next, I'm going to go into checklist. And within the checklist, I'm going to go into a specific checklist called end user training. And in the checklist, as you can see the different to-dos, but now we have a new icon that indicates if that specific to-do already has an attachment. So in this example, none of the other to-dos have an attachment, but this specific, the training material developed, does have attachment icon next to it, which means there are attachments within there. Let's go ahead and upload a document first to another to-do. So to do that, I am going to go into the three-dotted actions menu, clicking on it, I can now see that there is a new menu item called Attachments. I can click on that and it gives me the option to upload the file. I can click on the Choose File button and it'll give me the same browser, and I can go ahead and attach my specific file. In this case, I also have the option to attach the file. I can just select it and upload that file, and the file is uploaded. I can do the same by selecting multiple files, and multiple files will then get uploaded. Because this is the attachment attribute is similar to the attachment attributes in the other parts of the application, so the maximum number of files you can upload is 10, and when that limit is reached, we then disable the choose file button. So in this example, I've already uploaded 10 documents, and once that maximum when that is reached, we will then disable the choose file button, and you can see hovering over it, it says max 10 files only. That concludes the demo. Thank you, everyone.